So before you start applying to funding for your business, you need to make sure you have the credibility first. You also need to be making sure that you're filling out the applications correctly so you don't harm your personal credit.
Wow, what? The rich is douchebag. SWK.
Here, hi, I'm Kaylee. I'm the owner and founder of SWK, Success with Kaylee LLC, where we actually help people build online businesses. Yeah, so you too can live a life of travel and become a digital nomad, like me. Make sure you like and save this video for later, because you're going to need it. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start a business. You start a business essentially to become rich and wealthy. Okay? But when it comes to being able to get funding, remember, credibility equals fundability. So before we start applying to get that funding, we need to make sure we build up the credibility of your business first in order to get the funding later. So it doesn't cost any money really to build up your credibility. Yeah. So here's how you're going to start doing it. So a big part of the goal here when you're applying to get funding is to make sure that the people you're applying to get all this money from can look up your business and find credible resources that your business is on, because this is going to look good again for your credibility. So essentially, the first thing we're going to have to do is to make sure that when someone puts in your business name into Google, you basically dominate the first page. A great example of what I'm talking about is when you put in Success with Kaylee LLC into Google, we will dominate the first page. You'll see all the reviews left for us. You'll see the articles we've been in. You will see the award we ended up winning. And those obviously, of course, took time to get there. We've been around a hot minute before all of those articles and winning the award, right? But there is essentially a way that you can dominate the first page of Google if you have little to no money and you have a brand new business. Here's how you're going to do it. Getting onto the first page of Google, to dominate the first page of Google is going to be important, because when the lender types in your business name into Google, everything that pops up for you is what also they're going to see. So this is why it's important to make sure we dominate that first page, because who really goes to the second page of Google anymore? You know what I mean? So what you're going to do is you're going to put your business into an incredible amount of online directories. Yeah. So some of them have like subscription fees. So just try to find the ones still that you can put your business on for free, but try to put your business anywhere on between 18 to 20, maybe 25 different online directories for your business. So when the lender types you in, boom, you'll be in enough resources for your business to dominate the first page. Two really good examples is InfoUSA and EasyLocal.com. This tactic with putting yourself inside of anywhere between 18 to 25 different online directories is also a really good strategy for SEO. And of course, when it comes time for you to actually applying to get funding, you have to make sure that you are filling out these applications correctly. Okay, so whether it's for a business credit card or whether it's for a business loan, you need to make sure you fill out the application in such a way that your personal credit is not ever going to be affected. And this is where a lot of entrepreneurs mess up, because if you put the liability of that credit card or loan onto you personally, your personal credit score is going to be affected. The entire point of the LLC is to make sure that you are not harmed in this process. Here at SWK, we provide the executive mentorship that you need to build this online business effectively and successfully. So you too can live a life of travel and become a digital nomad like me. You can book an appointment with me. It's linked in the bio. And another really helpful resource that SWK has is our paperback book on Amazon that's only $9 to help you get started quickly, okay? So I hope this was very insightful for you, and I look forward to seeing you on my calendar.
Red says, well, douchebag. I'll stop you, Carrie.